Could you be having a video in your channel that you'd like to delete? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a video that probably you find it boring, you made it in a rush, and you'd like to make it all afresh. Stick here and I'm going to take you through step by step. The first thing is to go into youtube.com and then to your channel. You ought to have logged into your channel. And to your account, scroll down to settings. My net is a bit slow, just hold on a bit. So yeah, here is the settings, it has opened. Then come here to view additional features. Then this page will open, and this is the part that we need to start the process. So come here to Video Manager, just click on the arrow there. Yeah, so we're under Video Manager. Then we're going to videos. So the videos that you have loaded are here. So then scroll and look for the video. If you want to delete all of them, you will click that. Then everything, you can be able to delete everything. But if you want some specific ones, just get to the one that you want and select the one that you want to delete. So in this case, I would like to delete one video because I think it's a duplicate of another video that I had done. So once you select the video that you want, you come here at Actions. So scroll and look for Delete, the delete option. Click that. Then you must be sure that you want to delete it because it will be permanently deleted. So then click Delete. So that's it. That is a simple way of deleting a video that you don't want to stay in your channel. If you like the video, give it a like. And remember to hit the subscribe button for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.